welcome back. I'm back. This is my husband. I have some things to show you. I just got it today from the mailbox, so I would like to unbox it. Dun, dun, dun. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh, here it is. I got it. Oh my god, there is no instruction and nothing. It's nothing.
Yeah.
This is all what it is.
Oh my god, it's just that?
It's just like that. Oh, okay. This come from like Ontario.
Mississauga.
Yeah, Mississauga, Ontario. It's a jet roller. It's for face massage. And they say that it is the real stone, you know, the real massage stone to put. Oh,
What?
how you feel?
Oh, it's so cold. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's really cold. Oh, nice. And this one, yeah, I can feel that it's the real stone. I can feel it's the real. It's not stone, right? It's called like jet.
How much you pay for it?
It's around like 15 or 14 something.
Okay.
Yeah. Here, this is what they used to use like
I
this.
thought it was $50.
No.
So only 15 and 20?
Yeah, around 15. There are so many and I choose the cheapest one.
Yeah.
But when I check the review of this company, I mean this one, they say like it's real stone. So that's why I decided this. Here they use to massage your face like that. Oh, in fact I have to clean it first, but that's okay. So we do
No,
like
it's
this.
not okay. It's COVID. You have to be careful.
Oh!
You have to be vigilant, no?
Yeah, it's nice. And this one, you can coining like that. I don't know what it's called. And then you can do like this.
Yeah, you're right. Coining, right?
Yeah, and you do like this. Nice. So before bed, I would use this. Oh my god.
Cold, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Ah! No way. Oops. That's it. That's it. But I'm happy with that. I should give like 5 stars for this order because they give me like the real. Yeah, I feel real stone because it's heavy and yeah,
And it's cold.
it's real stone because it's cold, I believe. Here, I don't know how they do that. I hope that this would have my face look younger.
Sure, it will.
Oh my god, nice. And these small things, they may put under the eyes, like this. I have to take off my glass. Nice. Oh. You have to roll it up like that. I just follow the instruction, but the thing they didn't send it me, given it to me. Oh. Yeah, why it didn't have anything in here? That's all what they have. Okay. Here. So it's all in here actually. Okay, these things on the top like that. Okay. Nice. And this thing like this. the fifth step, like this, like this. Oh, and also these things like this. Nice. And you have to put it into the fridge so it would keep cold. Oh, nice. That's everything today for today. Bye. Bye bye.